Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll share with you another airdrop opportunity from Near Protocol. They've launched the Near Mobile Wallet and you can participate to earn rewards. They've announced a confirmed airdrop as part of an overall campaign which includes rewards in NPRO tokens. However, this campaign is a bit quirky and I'll explain why as we go along. One thing is confirmed, their token generation event is scheduled for December 15, 2025 and the rewards are confirmed. Phase 1 of the campaign is live and you can participate in it until it ends on September 15. In this video, I am providing a step-by-step guide on how you can participate for free and potentially earn NPRO token rewards or an airdrop. So stay tuned until the end of the video. Before joining, if you still haven't joined our Telegram channel, please join for the latest crypto and airdrop updates. I'll provide the link in the description, so check it out. To join the airdrop, you can search for the app in your App Store for iPhone users or Play Store for Android users. Search for Near Wallet. And this is the app you need to download. Install the app and after installing, open it. Then select Create Wallet and continue. Here you can enter my referral code which I've provided in the description. After entering the code, click on continue and then continue again. Here you'll see your secret phrases, so don't forget to copy and save them in a secure place. After that, click on next. It will ask you to set a PIN, so choose your PIN code. Then click confirm and skip for now. Your wallet is successfully created. Now click on the NPRO section. Here you will find a few Twitter tasks and your invite code. You need to complete these easy tasks. For example, click on follow. Then you'll be redirected to X. Follow their official profile. And after that, enter your X username here to verify. Click on verify. And you're done. As you can see, I've got 5 points. There's not much else to do here. If you have funds, you can send or receive via this app like other wallets. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. If you're new to this channel, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Goodbye.